Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix 4xx HTTP status codes on your Shopify store. So 4xx HTTP status code indicates client-side errors such as broken links, missing pages or incorrect URLs. These issues can negatively impact your Shopify store's user experience and SEO. Follow this guide to identify and fix 4xx errors on Shopify store. So, step 1 is identifying the 4xx errors. You can use Google Search Console, then go to Coverage Report and check for URLs listed under excluded or errors with the 4xx status code. Now, you can use a website crawler tool like Screaming Frog, Ahrefs or SEMrush that can crawl your Shopify site and list the 4xx errors. Now, in Google Analytics, you can look for pages with high bounce rates or user drop-offs as they might be broken links. Now, you can visit pages on your Shopify store that may have been recently edited or removed to verify their status. Now, step 2 is fixing common 4xx errors. So, 404 not found errors occurs when a page or resource doesn't exist on your site. You can fix this by redirecting the broken link URL to a relevant working page using Shopify URL redirects. Navigate to Online Store, navigate to Navigation page and click on View URL Redirects. You'll have to simply create a new URL redirect, then save. If the page is missing entirely, consider recreating it if it's still needed. Now, another step to solve this problem is updating internal and external links. So, you can fix internal links by checking your Shopify navigation menu, navigating to collections and product pages for broken internal links. Update any links pointing to old or missing pages. Now, second way is updating external backlinks. So, you can use tools like Ahrefs to identify backlinks pointing to 4xx errors pages on your site. You can reach out to the referring websites and ask them to update their links to correct pages. So, by identifying and resolving the 4xx errors, you can improve your Shopify store SEO and ensure a smoother browsing experience for your customers. Stay proactive by monitoring your site regularly and keeping URLs updated. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.